Tank filled tubes are expensive. This one here costs $500. Fortunately, you can protect and extend the life of your tube with Wes tank filled tube liners for a fraction of the cost. Wes tube liners work great for protecting brand new tubes and for extending the life of worn tubes. Wes offers a wide range of tank filled tube liners from Case IH, New Holland, and John Deere combines. We also offer universal auger tube liners that will fit virtually any size tube with some trimming using a circular saw or reciprocating saw. Our universal tube liners are available in several diameters, from 10 to 24 inches in 4 and 8 foot kits. If you have a longer tube, you can stack them. Today we're going to install a tank filled tube liner for this John Deere S670. But if you've got a Case IH or a New Holland combine, the process is the same. Our tank filled tube liner kits include 1/8 thick UHMW plastic liner, pop rivets, a drill bit. For tools you'll need a drill, clamp, pop rivet gun. Before we begin, as always, remember safety first. Wear safety glasses, gloves, and always refer to your combine manufacturer's operator's manual for safety precautions. Before installing the tube liner, our first step is to remove the auger from the tube, and then you'll remove the auger bearing, mount bracket, and remove the auger from the housing and clean out any debris from the inside of the auger housing. Once you've got everything cleaned out, you'll insert the tube liner into the tank filled tube and position the top edge of the tube liner flush with the top edge of the tank filled tube. Make sure the liner is rotated to the correct position and the bottom edge is flush with the tank filled tube. Then snap the two edges of the liner together by pushing the liner toward the tank filled tube walls and pressing along the seam. A putty knife can also be used to help snap the seams together. Then clamp the liner to the tube to ensure it does not move, and use the 4 pre-drilled holes in the liner and supply drill bits to drill through the steel tube. Fasten the liner in place with pop rivets that are included with the kit. We recommend you'll drill 2 13/64" holes on the top side of the liner. The hole should be 1/2 inch down from the top edge of the tube and 1/2 inch from the seam on both sides. In this instance, we removed the hole placement due to the welded seam in the bearing mount bracket, which will hold the liner in place. Then install the rivets. Then drill 5 13/64 holes along the edge where the steel tube is welded to the base plate and install those rivets. Then drill 3/8 holes through the liner for the bearing mount bracket locations. And there you have it. Our brand new John Deere tube is now protected. For your complete poly coverage, we recommend installing UHMW wear shoes on your auger to extend its life. If one of our standard John Deere, Case IH, or New Holland kits doesn't fit your auger tube, we also offer universal kits that can be trimmed to fit with a circular saw or reciprocating saw. To order your Wes tube liners and auger wear shoes, visit maywest.com or give us a call, 1-800-788-6483, or contact your local Wes dealer.